The past 20 months have really been quite interesting for us.
Back in January, the San Diego Zoo saw its first coronavirus cases.
We had the first reported case in gorillas, but since then there have been zoos around the world that have had positive cases, not only in gorillas and tigers, but in cougars. Snow leopards seem to be particularly susceptible to the virus.
Dr. Nadine Lamberski is Chief Conservation and Wildlife Health Officer at the San Diego Zoo. She's been leading efforts to protect animals from the same virus that's killed millions of humans.
We know from scientific studies that carnivores, particularly cats, big cats, and primates, are extremely susceptible to this virus.
Between the zoo's main location and their safari park, over 20 cases have been confirmed in animals. Staff usually are not able to get a nasal swab, so they test fecal matter. Lamberski says sick animals have symptoms that are similar to humans.
Some animals just go off food. Some are lethargic. Some develop a cough. Some develop a fever. Some develop all those things on different days. And each case has been a little bit unique. But we're very fortunate that all of the wildlife in our care that have contracted the virus have fully recovered.
Cases are believed to come from infected staff who are asymptomatic working closely with animals.
Oh, that's true.
Over the summer, 2 snow leopards tested positive.
And it was a very, very tense time, not knowing which way they were going to go, and this was prior to them being fully vaccinated.
The zoo was one of the first to begin using a COVID-19 vaccine approved for animals. Since the beginning of the year, more than 250 high-risk animals have gotten their COVID vaccinations here at the zoo. That includes all of the big cats, including that leopard up there. Lamberski says they have used all of their supply, but if more became available, booster doses could be considered.
Particularly because of the new variants that are coming out, and we would want to give our animals the best chance to fight off that infection so that they can have the best lives possible.
Zoo staff wear face coverings and try to limit their time spent indoors around animals. There have been reported breakthrough infections in some that were already vaccinated, but their symptoms were mild.
Look, a monkey.
Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.